the secret is out. Crochet Society let me design this entire box for you guys. Check this out. This is the Totally Hooked box 58. So this is what you're gonna get. Stop everything, look at this. Hello Crochet Sister, today I'm going to show you something I've been quiet for so long. This is the Crochet Society Totally Hooked box 58 that I designed myself. So I helped with everything in this box. The packaging, the design, the patterns, the video tutorials, the little gifts, the yarns. I picked everything especially for you guys. So I really hope you like it. So today we are going to be unboxing this together and also complete one of the projects. Are you ready? Let's begin with the unboxing. So this is the packaging of my box 58, and I wanted to go all in. I wanted to go for a 60s, 70s look. I absolutely love those eras. You know me already. You know that I love the 60s and the 70s, the color palette, the flowers and the looks and the outfits and everything about the 60s and the 70s. So I wanted to translate that into this box. So this is what I've came up with. We have some flowers, we have some butterflies, the checkered print. Absolutely love it. So yeah, this is the beautiful box. Now we can begin with the unboxing. So let's see what's inside this stunning box. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! These are the absolutely stunning yarns you get in this box. And when you open the box, the inner part of the box, it's also with the checkered print, but in a different colorway, as you can see, beige and light green. And then the design on the inner part of the box, on the cover, it's the same design of my t-shirt. Look at this. Coffee, crochet, sleep, and repeat. And if you want to get this stunning t-shirt, I'm going to leave the link in my bio, or you can get it on my website at brunaticality.com, so you can check that out as well. Absolutely love this design, and we've added to the inner part of the box. That is so adorable. I love that so much. And now we can check the content inside the box. First, we have the 3 beautiful yarns that we get in this box. These are full skein 100 grams, and this is the Confection DK yarn, 100% acrylic, super soft. You absolutely love this yarn. I absolutely love it. And you get 2 colorful and 1 colored yarn, as you can see. So let's check them out. First, we have the Spring Meadow, in which is a more lighter, cool toned one with pink, green, and yellow. This was the first one that I've chosen. I wanted to go for more like a girly, cutesy look. And then because those are my 2 personalities, these 2 yarns, the colorful ones, are basically my 2 personalities. Spring Meadow, this one is more like a cutesy, sweet version of me. And then this other one, the second colorful yarn, it's more like a cool, funky side of me. So this is the Sunset Surprise. More bold and bright colors. We have yellow, orange, and dark pinks. Look at that! Isn't it so stunning? I absolutely love these 2 yarns. Check them out. And then for the 1 colored one, I wanted to go for yellow because this yellow goes with both of the colorful yarns. So you can actually use with Spring Meadow and Sunset Surprise. And this yellow one is Lemon Drops. So that is the shade for this one. So these are the 3 beautiful yarns you get in this box. Check them out. And I've chosen them myself. I cannot believe it. These were specially made for this box. Now let's continue. Next up, we have a pom-pom, in which we are going to be using in one of the projects. So this is a little hint of one of the projects in this box. Super soft. This is the softest pom-pom ever. And then we have 2 embroidery hoops a 15 centimeters and a 10 centimeters. Also, we are going to be using them for a project that it's in this box as well as a pattern. Next, we have a collectible stitch marker. This one, it's a butterfly to match the box. And then the crochet hook, this is the crochet hook, the same design as the box. This is a 4 millimeters. And this, all right, this is exciting. So for the gift, I wanted something super unique. So I've chosen a crochet hook storage row. This is what it looks like. Look at this beautiful crochet hook storage. So when you open it, this is the design you get, the same design as the box, and then you have the slots for your crochet hooks. Yes, look at that. You get 14 slots in total, 2 bigger ones, one slightly bigger at the beginning and then a larger one, the largest one at the end here. So this is what it looks like with the crochet hooks, and if you want, you can use this last one that it's bigger to place a foldable scissors as well. And now we can row. And then we can tie a little bow here at the front. Look at that. Isn't it so adorable? I absolutely love this. Love the design. Love that we can keep all of our crochet hooks, and we can also add other tools as well if you want to take with us. And this is super handy and small, and it fits inside our tote bags, our bags, our project bags. So this is going to be amazing to take with us when crocheting a project. So yeah, this is the last item you get. This is the bigger gift. How stunning is this? I absolutely love it. And now let's see all of the patterns included in this box. The last thing in the box is a pattern book. Yes, with all of the patterns in the box. You get it printed out already for you in this little magazine. And look at the beautiful cover. Isn't it so stunning? You will get 5 written patterns in this box. You will get the written patterns printed out for you in this booklet. Also, the video tutorials for every single one of them. And I am the one recording the videos as well. I'm going to be the one doing the tutorials with you, so I cannot wait to crochet along with you once you start crocheting all of the projects. So let's see all of the patterns now included in this box. These are all of the ones included in this box. So first we have the Flower Power Puff Scrunchie. I absolutely love this scrunchie. I have it here with me. Let me show you. So this is the scrunchie. Super fluffy, super chunky. Look at the beautiful yarn. This is what Sunset Surprise looks like in action. Look how colorful, look how bold it is. I absolutely adore this scrunchie. I love the stitching. We also have the last round with some shells, so that's why it looks so stunning like that. And it looks like a beautiful coral, isn't it? The colors are super nice and colorful. Absolutely love it. So this is the first pattern in this box. Next up, we have the Stay Groovy beanie, a super easy, super quick beanie, and you can use the pom-pom as well to decorate it, just like this. And then we have the Twin Spirits Dreamcatcher. Look at this stunning dream catcher. I absolutely love, when I've started crocheting, this was my favorite thing to crochet. So I really wanted to add a dream catcher for you guys because it means a lot to me. Also, when I was younger, I used to have a dream catcher on top of my bed because someone told me that you used to catch all of your bad dreams, and I used to believe it. And every time I had this dream catcher on top of my bed, I never had a bad dream. So a nightmare. So this means a lot to me. And the first one I've crocheted was actually the one that I used to have it on top of my bed. I don't have it anymore, but it's something super, super meaningful to me. So I wanted to add this to the booklet as one of the patterns. So yeah, I'm getting emotional. Next up, we have my favorite one. The Dreamcatcher is the most meaningful to me, but this is my favorite one. This is the Funky Face makeup bag. Super versatile because not only for makeup, you can use for anything else that you want to store inside this bag. And it's a drawstring one, it's a round one, super large. You can fit so many things inside, and then you can just pull the strings, and there you have your makeup bag. And then when you open it, you can see everything that is inside because it's round, and you can make the base in any size you want as well. You don't have to make the same size as me. Just keep on adding more rounds, and then after you can just add the sides and make it bigger as well. And I have it here with me so I can show you in a different colorway, the same yarn, confection DK, but just the bottom and the top, the green yarn is in a different color that is not in the box. I just happen to have that when making the pattern for this project. And then after that, we made using the colors of the box, but this is what it looks like. How stunning is this? Also perfect for gifting. This would be amazing to add as one of the gifts for Christmas, for example, or for a birthday present. Imagine adding this. Also, you can use as a present bag, and then after they can use the actual bag as a makeup bag. Then you can place the present, the gift inside this bag, isn't it? I think that's a super good idea. So when you open it, you just pull it apart, and then you have the makeup bag, as you can see. And then you can see everything that is inside because it's massive. And then to close, you just pull the drawstrings like that. How cool is this? And then lastly, as a bonus pattern, we have one of my patterns, and this is the Retro Bloom flowers. I absolutely love them. I made them a couple of years ago, and we wanted to add one of my patterns, and it had to be the groovy flowers. So this is the bonus pattern you will get, and it's perfect to use as an applique to add to any project you need a flower for. And this is my favorite flower. It reminds me of the SpongeBob flowers, right? So this is the last pattern in this box. And before we complete one of the projects, I just want to talk to you a little bit about on how you can get this stunning box from Crochet Society. So this is a subscription box, the Totally Hooked subscription box from Crochet Society, and every 2 months you get a new box. It's going to be a complete new design in a complete new box with different crochet patterns, different products as well. So everything, and also made by a different crochet artist. And the first box you get for 30% off, so only $19.99. And then after that, every 2 months when you receive your box, it's going to be $29.99, and you can cancel it at any time. And Totally Hooked subscribers will get the boxes first, and after 2 to 3 weeks, they release it to the public to buy the boxes individually if you want to try to get it, but it's not guaranteed because most of the boxes, they do sell out. So it's not guaranteed that you'll be able to buy the boxes afterwards. And if you want to get my box, box 58, you have to subscribe until the 21st of December 2025 to guarantee this box right here, to receive at the beginning of next year, 2026. And my box, box 58, is available at crochetsociety.co.uk only. And also you can check the link in my bio that is going to take you directly to the website. All right. So now we can get crocheting, because we are going to be crocheting one of the projects in this box. And I was thinking, because the dream catcher is the most meaningful to me, maybe we could crochet the dream catcher together in today's video. So I think that's what we are going to be crocheting in today's video. I'm so excited. And for the dream catcher, I thought of doing a little bit different than in the pattern. So I thought of using spring meadow and lemon drops. And also I'm going to be using the embroidery hoops that you get in the box as well. And something that I do, a little tip for you guys, when I do my dream catchers using the embroidery hoops, I always use just one of them. So you can use the inner part or the outer part. I'm going to be using the inner part. And then you basically can make 2 dream catchers with these two embroidery hoops instead of just making one. So just separate it, use one of them, and then the other one, you can make it as a gift. Isn't that so clever? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to be using the inner parts of the embroidery hoops. First, I'm going to be making the two mandalas, the bigger one, the 15 centimeters and the 10 centimeters. And then after that, we're going to be putting them together. So let's go. So as you can see, I have the two mandalas now completed, and the next thing I have to do is to add the ring, the two rings around the mandalas. Single crocheting around them and attaching the two into the rings. So that is the next thing I'm gonna do. How stunning and beautiful are these mandalas. I absolutely love this one. This kind of creates a heart shape going around, as you can see. And this one is a star. And then I'm going to be attaching both of the two mandalas together and then adding the tassels around. And that's it. Oh my goodness. I already made two of these. One was for a gift that my auntie wanted one, so I made one for her. And then the other one I made was when I tested and when I was doing the pattern for the dream catcher. And now this one. And I have another one on the way that I have to make because my mom also wants one as a gift. So yeah, I'm gonna have 4. This is gonna be for myself. Ready. Here's the stunning dream catcher, the Twin Spirits dream catcher. Let me know what you think. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. I'm in love, and this is gonna go on the wall behind me right here. There is a hook right there. So here's where it's gonna go. Ta-da! Now you can see it. Look at that! I absolutely love how it turned out, and I really hope you like it too. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is so adorable. I'm honestly so proud of how this box turned out, and I'm so thankful for the Crochet Society's team for helping me bring this box to life. They were super helpful. I had so much fun. The entire experience was super fun. Putting this box together, choosing the design, writing the patterns, recording the video tutorial. So I really hope you love this box as much as we did, because everyone absolutely loved this box and we put a lot of work into it. So I really hope you like it. So if you want to get this beautiful box that I have designed for Crochet Society's Totally Hooked subscriptions, box 58, that you will get it at the beginning of next year, you can find it at crochetsociety.co.uk. I'm also going to be leaving the link in my bio. It's going to be the very first link. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!